Looking for a high-efficiency automatic steam boiler? Choose HUADING DZL chain Grate steam boiler. It supports coal, biomass pellets, wood, crop straw, and various solid fuels. Automatic chain Grate feeding realizes continuous and stable combustion. Horizontal 3-pass structure with high-efficiency heat exchange. Thermal efficiency up to 85%. Fast steam output. Strong load adaptability. Fully automatic operation, low labor intensity, few failures, easy maintenance, greatly reducing your operating cost. Widely used in food, textile, chemical, pharmaceutical, paper, and other industries. Complete safety devices ensure long-term reliable running. HUADING boiler supports customization. Contact us now for your free quotation.